Tree Toppers, we are out and about. Cameron and I have been busy in the studio and decided it's time to get organized. So we decided to head off to Ikea today and see about what we can do to get organized. What are your thoughts?
Organization is a lovely thing, so we are going to get organized.
So come with us and see what we find. Talk to you soon. Anyway, we just made it to Ikea and we are going to go in and see what we see. Again, we're here to get organization stuff because our studio is out of control.
Out of control.
So, see you soon. The whole metal rack like this on it. The whole
nice.
brushes. I'm gonna try these things. So.
Clips on there. It just opens up, so yeah.
I just want to say these people are crazy. They just told me I had to shut off recording because I'm in the restaurant and anyway, she called me a liar and I wasn't recording. When she shut off, I shut it off. So whatever. We're gonna eat now.
Hey, so we are here and we found...
It's loud. That's because we're right outside the bathrooms.
We're outside the bathroom. We found some cool things here.
I think we have to talk louder.
For organizational purposes, and we're still doing a little bit of shopping for our studio, so stay tuned with us and let's see what else we can find.
Bathroom noise.
Look at the...
Not really sure where he just ended up, but he's right there. What are you talking about, Willis?